My name is Ajit Jangle, co-founder for Origin Connect, and good day to all. The agri-tech is highly unreliable and risky, and when you do it internationally, it becomes more and more complex, where we come through. And they're challenged because of the limited options, agri-wastage, there is a consistency in quality issue, and the rate issue, and the payment challenges. We are simplifying agri-tech globally with technology-enabled supply chain. And our solution has a major 5 components. One is having the agri B2B marketplace for more buy and sell options, market intelligence for taking the informed decision because that should be a timely and accurate, having the OK certification at the source so that we can solve the all quality issues at the challenges at the latter stage, supply chain execution to have a minimized damage and the lowering the cost of the supply chain, and very critical about the trade financing for reducing risk for the supplier ability to grow further businesses. Our venture will be growing into 4 phases. The first phase is domestic market in India. We started with few commodities, a very focused approach that itself is a 15 billion market in India. The second phase is exporting to the nearby regions, sub-regions rather, Middle East, Africa, India, subcon, and the Far East. With that, we got a response and we started other commodities also. A third phase is about the import, and the fourth phase is about the having the cross country. Now, if you just take only this region, which is possibly neglected in that particular area, our TAM itself is about the 50 billion plus. So there is a huge potential to really do. Now, when we are doing this, we done the market research for India. India has more than 700 agri startup, and this particular solution is nobody offering today. So our competition is mainly with the international partner competitors like a Trich, but they also not doing into this particular area, which is the very sweet spot which we identified. We achieved 0.7 million in the first year itself. Our marketplace just launched last month, and we boarded customers which will get multiplied 10 times in next 3 months. And we already started export to Dubai. Our technology platform app looks like this, and this is not just on the IT. A lot of behavioral science is going through that, how the trader thinks, what are the real pain areas, and we did ourselves first, and then we did a survey for the whole community and incorporated all the inputs in this. Our current year budget for 2 million, but we aspire to grow 188 million by F27. This is my team. This is very important slide for us. But other than the technology and know-how, the agri, the team is building the whole company. Where I myself about 20 plus year experience in supply chain, managing many multi MNCs in different countries. My co-founder is an agri expert working on the ground, and our IT, Sir Faraz, is a ex-Infosys US. This is a snap of my team on the field, and happy to take your questions if you have.